To connect Xiaomi TV A Series into the Wi-Fi network, first of all, you have to just click on the settings icon. And now as you can see over here, you can find the Wi-Fi settings. So we have to just scroll down and select Wi-Fi. Now, I can highly recommend you to turn off Wi-Fi before you start turning this on, and then just turn it on back after just a few moments. And now you should find a list of all available networks, but if it is not working, then sometimes you can just simply turn off that scanning always available and turn it on back. Now, if there's no network that you want to connect, click to see all of them. And as you can see for me, for example, I want to connect into the Vivo X200 Pro. So now I want to input the password. I have to use my remote controller. And if I want to see my password, I have to just go for this option, hide password. And instead of the hide, you should just unselect that option. And you will be able to see your password. And now you have to just click on the switcher on the keyboard in the right bottom corner. And now after a few seconds, we will be connected.